Binomial Theorem, exercise 7.1, problem number 8. Prove that 6 power n minus 5n always leaves remainder 1 when divided by 25. 6 power n minus 5n ని 25 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే మీకు ఎప్పుడు కూడా రిమైండర్ 1 వస్తుందని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ 6 power n minus 5n. Okay, first write 6 power n into binomial expansion. How? So this one can be written as 1 plus 5 whole power n. 1 plus 5 whole power n. So this is all the form 1 plus x whole power n. 1 plus x whole power n. What is the formula? nc0 plus nc1 5 plus nc2 5 square plus nc3 5 cube plus so on ncn 5 power n. Okay, now that equals to nc0 value 1, nc0 value 1, nc1 value n, so 5n plus nc2, okay, leave it, 5 square value 25, nc2, 5 cube value 125, nc3 plus so on, ncn value 1, nc0 equals to ncn, so 1 times of 5 power n, so 5 power n. Okay, so this is 6 power n. Okay, now 6 power n minus 5n. Okay, add minus 5n on both sides, that equals to 1 plus 5n plus 25 nc2 plus 125 nc3 plus 1 5 power n. Add minus 5n both sides, so here 5n into 5n get cancelled. Okay, now 1 plus 25 nc2 plus 125 nc3 plus so on 5n. Okay, so 1 plus, from the next term onwards, after 1 25 is the common term, 25 is common, nc2, so 25 5 is 5 into nc3 plus so on, 25 is the common, means 5 power n minus 2, so 5 power n by 5 power 2, 5 power 2 value 25, 25 get cancelled, so 1 plus 25, this expression can be written as simple constant k. Okay, where k is nc2, where k equals to nc2 plus 5nc3 plus so on 5 power n minus 2. Observe that the above expression clearly when divided by 25 the remainder is 1. Clearly 6 power n minus 5n, 6 power, this is the value 6 power n minus 5n is divided by 25, the remainder is 1, the remainder is 1. Okay, so this is the final answer.